How to delete cover photo on Facebook. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Bipin Bisnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can delete your cover photo on Facebook. Well, deleting your cover picture on Facebook is pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide you through. First things first, you want to go ahead and open up Facebook, and you want to make sure you're logged into your account. Once you open up Facebook, you want to head over to your profile by tapping on profile picture there. Once you head over to your profile here, what you want to do is you can simply tap on the profile picture there, and once you tap on it, you'll get 4 different options. You can see view profile cover, upload photo, select photo in Facebook, create cover, collage. So what you want to do is you want to simply tap on view profile cover. Once you open up a profile picture this way, you want to tap on the 3 dots option at the top right corner of your screen, and there you will get the second option, that is delete photo. Simply tap on it and then it'll ask you to confirm it. Tap on delete again and it'll get deleted. So this way you can delete your cover photo on Facebook. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues as well.